Okay, so we have a probability, a discrete random variable x here with a probability distribution table. We need to find the value of p. How do we find the value of p?
We add up every single.
We add them
Make
all
sure add
up.
up to 18. So like you minus the number.
We can see that all the others are over the denominator of 18. So if we add all the numerators up, what should they add up to?
14.
80.
Yeah,
So
I thought you meant excluding.
1 plus p plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 7 is going to have to equal 18, isn't it?
Yes.
And this tells us that p is equal to 4. Right, that bit was
Where's the 8?
calculating the expected score. It looked good here. Most of you have the formula for this one, but found it tiresome to type it into the calculator. So, Sophie, stop talking. The expectation of x, I'll write the formula out. So you're doing minus 3 times 1 over 18 plus minus 1 times 4 over 18 plus 0 times 3 over 18 plus 1 times 1 over 18 plus 2 times 2 over 18 plus 5 times 7 over 18. Notice that they all have a denominator of 18. So factor that out. You've got 1 over 18. This first one is minus 3 times 1, minus 3. This next one is minus 1 times 4, minus 4. This is 0 times 3. So we can leave that. This is 1 times 1. This is 2 times 2. And this is 5 times 7.
So you can only use that they all have the same denominator, right?
Yes. Only if they all have the same denominator, or there's a number in them all, a letter in them all, and things like that. But it's only with the fractions that you find they're gonna have a denominator. And if one of them was off because you simplified it, maybe you can bring it up to the same denominator. Yeah. Or you could just add that one separately. X times that probability added to the...
Outside the bracket.
Yeah, because you add it afterwards, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Because this will sum all of these. You could use this technique to sum the first 5 and then add the last one separately. And what did we get for our answer here on this one?
11 over 6 is the exact answer.
Ooh, so these two cancel.
Yeah, 11 over 6.
This is minus 2, so we've got 33 over 18. Is that right?
Yes.
And that would, both of these divide by 3, so that would give 11 over 6.
Correct.
Can I put it as a decimal?
Yeah, you can answer as a decimal.
Because
I think it makes a bit more sense as a decimal as well.
yeah.
It's just less than 2. It's 0.16 recurrent less than 2.
Mr. Smith,
Yes.
they opened like a new fresh food thing in the cafeteria. If you eat just a little bit early so we can get there, because the line is moving here.
JD plays the game twice and adds the two scores together. Find the probability that he has a total score of minus 3. Ooh, so this is tricky.
Well, this is interesting.
Yeah.
There's multiple scenarios.
Yeah. So we need to get. Can we stay focused? How can we score by rolling the dice twice? How can we score minus 3?
Negative 3 and
So
0.
And 0 or negative 3 and
we could get these two. Is there another way?
negative 3 and 1.
Uh, 0, then negative 3.
Will any of the other numbers create?
No. This would have been more interesting.
No.
if there
Yeah,
was
it's
a-
2 and negative 1.
Yeah, we're doing more interesting.
Yeah.
However, it's still tricky. What is the probability if we have the probability of 1 over 18 times 3 over 18, 1 over 18 times 3 over 18, what is this the probability of?
This is a probability. Yeah,
That's the probability of 0, getting a 0 and a 3.
No, it's
Negative 3.
it's a probability of rolling a negative 3 and then getting a 0.
That's separate from rolling a 0
Zero,
and then getting a negative
Yeah.
3.
Exactly.
But you need to take into
What
account
makes
both of
this
them.
question hard is this is the probability of rolling a negative 3, then a 0.
But you don't have to have that order.
We can have a 0 and then a -3.
Those are the only two, there's only two times where you can get it.
So you can just answer it then with this.
Think about when it's looking over.
You can just answer it with this. If we put this into the calculator, what do we get as a decimal?
One over.
1 over, sorry.
Can we have a decimal?
Yeah.
It's going to be 6 over 18 squared.
0.0.
0.0185.
0.0189.
0.0185.
Yeah, 20.
All right. That is it for this one.